Oliver in? Agnes? Wendy Garcia from Bridget's Bridal Shower?
Yeah. Hi.
How are you?
Wow, small world. What are you doing here?
I'm here to see my best friend, yung ka-meeting mo, si Oliver.
Best friend mo yun?
Unfortunately, yes. And I think I remember telling you that before.
Right. I remember. Ano bang pinakain sa'yo ng unggoy na yan at pinagtsatsagaan mo yung ugali niya?
Well, I think you can ask him yourself because he's right behind you.
I have to go, Wendy. Bago tuluyang masira ang araw ko.
Of
It was nice to see you again.
Nice to see you. You look great.
Bye.
Bye.
Oo.
Ayan kasi.
Nakita mo na. Nakita mo na kung gaano kabangis yung babae na yun.
Bangis? Hindi ko alam ano sinasabi mo. I think she's cute.
Yun ang definition mo ng cute? Nang tatawag ng mga tao ng unggoy?
Eh, bagay naman, diba? Joke lang. Intindihan mo naman kasi yung tao. Bibilhin mo yung kumpanya na itinaguhi ng mga magulang niya. Icha-chop-chop mo. Siyempre naman, who wouldn't get affected?
Look, we're in business. Pinipersonal niya eh.
It is personal. It's their life. You should know that.
What? Para magpalugi?
Ollie, look. I know you're very patient with people. Hindi ko alam kung bakit parang gigil na gigil ka sa babae. So you're getting all your panties in a bunch over this one Agnes.
Funny. Yeah, it's funny. Parang hindi mo nakita kung anong klaseng babae nung kinaharap ko kanina. Okay. Kwento ko sa'yo, ha?
I'm all ears.
One day, nakita kami sa isang park.
Ollie, ayan ka na naman sa mga crying ladies mo. Do you remember the last time that happened? You lost your mother's ring.
Oh, but what can I do? Siyempre, ako naaawa naman ako, di ba? Alangan naman pabayaan ko lang siya. So anyway, nilapitan ko.
I like this Agnes.
What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with you?
Ano ka pinagtitripan?
Hindi kita pinagtitripan.
Kala ko magkakampi tayong dalawa.
Magkakampi nga tayo.
Why you say that you like her? Are you laughing at me pa?
Because I think you've met your match. I think you've met your special someone.
Match kami nung kung magbo-boxing kaming dalawa. She's not my someone, okay? She's not special at all.
Kahit anong kwento mo, hindi mo pa rin maiwan yung part na nakita ko yung pinakamagandang babae sa buong buhay ko.
That was before.
Before.
Before ko
You know
siya
what,
makilala.
Ollie? I know you better than you know yourself, and you may not realize it yet, pero in love ka na sa Agnes na to.
In love?
In love?
No way.
Yes, wait.
Just because you're in love, feeling mo lahat ng tao in love na din.
I'm not saying anything. You are.
No way.